This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit librivox.org. Recording by Al Hunt, Alberta, Canada, January 2007. How to Cook Fish by Olive Green. Section 23, 15 Ways to Cook Perch. Fried perch 1. Clean the fish, dip in flour, then in beaten egg, then in crumbs, and fry in plenty of fat. Drain and garnish with lemon and parsley. Fried perch 2. Dip the clean perch in flour and fry brown in salt pork fat. Fried perch 3. Prepare and clean the fish, season with salt and pepper, dip in egg and cornmeal, and fry in deep fat. Broiled perch. Rub the prepared fish with butter, season with salt and pepper, and broil. Garnish with fried parsley and lemon. Boiled perch. Boil the cleaned fish with parsley, a tablespoonful of butter, and salt and pepper to season. Drain, strain the liquid, thicken with butter and flour, season to taste, pour over the fish, and serve. Boiled perch with oyster sauce. Prepare and clean the fish and simmer until done in salted and acidulated water. Drain and serve with oyster sauce. Perch à la lamande. Put 2 large clean perch into a saucepan with 2 chopped carrots, a sprig of parsley, a celery root, a sliced onion, and a pinch of salt. Cover with white wine and simmer for 20 minutes. Drain and keep warm. Take out the onion, parsley, and celery root. Add half a cupful of chopped mushrooms and cook for 5 minutes. Cook with a tablespoonful each of butter and flour thickened together. Take from the fire, add a tablespoonful of butter and the juice of 2 lemons, pour over the fish, and serve. Stewed perch à la batelière. Put 4 pounds of clean perch into a saucepan with salt and pepper to season, 2 sliced onions, a bunch of parsley, and claret and water in equal parts to cover. Simmer for half an hour, drain, remove the parsley, and thicken the sauce with 2 tablespoonfuls each of butter and flour cooked together. Add a tablespoonful of anchovy essence, the juice of half a lemon, and 2 tablespoonfuls of butter. Pour over the fish and serve. Perch à la française. Boil the perch in white wine, and when cooked, skin and arrange on a serving dish. Pour over a cream sauce, to which has been added chopped cooked carrots and mushrooms, and a tablespoonful of minced parsley. Add also to the sauce a tablespoonful of butter and grated nutmeg, and lemon juice to season. Perch à la maître d'hôtel. Prepare according to directions given for Mullet à la maître d'hôtel. Perch à la Normandie. Prepare and clean the fish and put into a stewpan with a chopped onion, a bunch of parsley, a pinch of salt, and enough white wine to cover. Simmer for 15 minutes. Take up the fish and strain the liquid. Add 1 cupful of oyster liquor and boil the liquid until reduced half. Take from the fire, add 1 tablespoonful of butter and 2 of flour, cook together, stir until smooth, return to the fire, and cook until thick, stirring constantly. Take from the fire and add slowly the yolks of 3 eggs well beaten. Bring to the boil, pour over the fish, and serve. Perch à la Sicily. Cook 3 or 4 large perch for 20 minutes with a bunch of parsley in salted and acidulated water. Put into a saucepan 1 tablespoonful of malt vinegar, 1 tablespoonful of tarragon vinegar, a teaspoonful of minced parsley, a small chopped onion, a bay leaf, and 4 peppercorns. Boil for 10 minutes, strain and cool. Cook together 4 tablespoonfuls of butter and 2 of flour. When brown, add a pint of beef stock and cook until thick, stirring constantly. Take from the fire, add the strained vinegar, the beaten yolks of 6 eggs, and 2 tablespoonfuls of grated horseradish. Bring to the boil, pour over the fish, and serve. Perch à la Stanley. Clean 4 large perch. Put into a saucepan with a tablespoonful of butter and a small bunch of parsley, a pint of Rhine wine, a pint of white stock, and salt and pepper to season. Simmer slowly until done, drain and keep warm. Thicken the sauce with 2 tablespoons each of butter and flour cooked together. Take from the fire, add the yolks of 4 eggs beaten with the juice of a lemon and 3 tablespoonfuls of butter. Bring to the boil, add a dozen parboiled oysters, pour over the fish and serve. Baked perch. Prepare and clean the fish. Stuff with seasoned crumbs and stew up. Bake with a little white wine and melted butter. Perch salad. Clean and boil the fish, drain and cool. Serve very cold on lettuce with mayonnaise. End of section 23.